This is the next section of the Mini I'm working on. The person who owned the car before me, I think this panel started to come off and they were just like, screw it. No pun intended, but they just literally put a bunch of screws right into the fender to hold it on because the clips broke, presumably. So they put these horrible 1 inch long that are all rusting and stuff. So I'm gonna take these bolts out and then see what happens because I do have a brand new one of these. I just got it in the mail. So let's try that and see if this works. All right, that was a complete fail. All the clips that normally hold this piece in were completely missing. And I already ordered new ones. I was just trying to see if I could put the new one on, possibly without the clips, but nope, I do need them. So we're gonna leave this for another day. And next up is my favorite cheap mod, which is the Ricer blue headlights. I 100% admit that these are pretty damn ricey, but I don't care because they look really good white with a little bit of blue, and they don't have to plug in any stupid LED wiring bullshit. So these just plug in, they look better, and they were like 15 bucks for all 4 of these. So don't hate too much. I think it'll look good. Here's the old bulb compared to the new one. You can see it's just essentially a blue film over that, which makes it look white. All right, so on the right side is the normal halogen, which is super yellow. And then on the right side, we have the new blue bulb, which looks way better. I mean, it's just 100% white versus yellow. Yeah, that looks great. And now we have both low beam and high beam bulbs replaced. It looks so much better with that white light instead of that ugly yellow. Well, we are 1 for 3 here on installs today because for some reason, as you can see, that bulb right there, the connector isn't even close to this one, and they said that this was the right one. So that's a bummer. At least we got the headlights in though. Hey Rocky, come here. Oh, he's crazy. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, he's crazy. You're crazy, you're crazy. Whoa, that was a crazy noise. You went, bah. Brand new short block. First revs after getting that new fresh motor in. We are heading back to East Lansing right now. Hey, shut up, Christian. Anyways, this thing's running really good, so we're gonna stretch its legs a little bit. We can't go past 4,000 RPM for 1,500 miles, but I'm sure we'll hear that car. So anyways, in these 2 boxes are a couple of things that were about 150 bucks for both of them. It's a pair. And I didn't realize that the Mini needed these until I saw some new ones in comparison. So let me just take these covers off real quick. So these are brand new OEM Mini / BMW taillights. They were like 75 each, so not horrible, and I had no idea how faded my other taillights were until I saw these new ones. And the other thing is that at the last car meet I was at, I was like sitting next to my car, and I basically just ran into my right taillight, cracked it in half, so I kind of needed some taillights anyways. Alright guys, so we got the back of the Mini opened up. This is a super simple process. Let me go ahead and take you off the tripod. Anyways, you're basically just going to take both these doors off right here, and you'll see the 10mm right behind it. So this might be a 2-hand thing because you got to get both these clips. Nope, I got it. So let's see. Oh yeah, right there. 10mm. Take that off with a socket, and then push those 2 tabs in on the back side, and the old taillight should come right out. All right, there's that bolt. Got one side right here. There we go. All right, now we're just gonna unplug this one harness. And there we go, stock taillight out, new taillight right back in. While we're in here, we're also gonna be cleaning that inside surface, because with these cars, as you can see right here, the rust is pretty bad on the back hatch, and we don't wanna let any moisture get in there. So it's gonna get a quick rag and then pop the new taillight in. All right, before we continue with the install, I just wanted to show you guys a comparison between the old and the new taillight. And I just can't believe this, because I'm a big fan of those headlight restoration kits, and I know that you can get a lot of this clouding off, but I mean, that is an insane difference. I mean, this is like in pretty good shape, you can see through it, but I didn't even know that that was how they looked brand new. So definitely a big upgrade for 150 bucks. All right, now you're gonna take your new taillight, you're gonna grab the harness, you're just gonna plug it in, easy as that. And she just comes right through here. Clips lined up. Wow, that looks so good. Holy shit, I didn't know how big an effect that these would have on the car, but even just that one taillight on there looks amazing. So you guys know how to put this back together. Let's just skip ahead until we got both taillights on. Boom. Alright guys, well that about wraps this video up. I am just so impressed with how good these new taillights look. They're so shiny and clear. Really a nice dark red instead of that faded yellow look. So I'm very satisfied with this. I don't think you can spend 150 bucks much better, because this thing looks years newer with that. And once all that rust is gone off the back, she's gonna look pretty damn good. So hopefully you guys like this video. I'm really trying to showcase how you can take a cheaper car and restore it for not a whole lot of money, make it worth more so you can sell it for more, or so you can just have a nicer car. And yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, let me know down below. Leave a like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. But for now, I'm gonna say peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.